Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add users in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding users in Salesforce is a straightforward process, but it requires administrative privileges. Now, depending on how you set up your Salesforce, I want you to click on the upper right corner where you see the setup option. You're going to be able to find the quick find search button here and type in user. All right. Now you have like the administer, manage users, mass email users, and a lot more. I want you to click on users. And from here, all you have to do is click on new user, put in your first name. That's going to be Deep Laughs. Put in the email, username, nickname, title, company, and a lot more. Okay. Now, the idea is that adding users here in Salesforce is an essential for scaling the platform to meet business needs, enhancing collaboration, and ensuring that the right people have the access to the necessary data and tools. Once you have provided all the information here, all you have to do is click on save. And that's that. But of course, you need to make sure that all of the information are correct and there's no error, okay? And again, if you encounter any problems adding a new user here in Salesforce, all you have to do is over to the upper right corner where you can see the help section. You might want to contact the customer support. Click the get support here. And by logging in, you should be able to contact the Salesforce customer support or issue a ticket. And from there, tell them you're having problems adding users in Salesforce, and they would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix them. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.